Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Bright Code. Today I just finished creating this website for restaurant business. Just easy, clean and responsive with sliding images here and a working contact form too. This it also has animations, go scroll to top animations, contact, menu, about, also responsive. As you can see right here, it is responsive. With different clicks. Also has a nav bar inside nav bar, which is easy here, and also on other as you can see here is easy. As a preloader. Just not using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's nothing much. The source code will be in the description below. If you can just check it out. And if you have any other question, you can ask me down in the comment section. Alright, that'll be it for this, guys. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you come again. Thank you very much. Hmm.